Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are covering basic Excel commands you need to know. We're doing just some basic Excel. Yeah, so to start off, I have my dummy data, as you can see it here, master row, and we're going to create a column here. So to create a column in Excel, you just go here on the column, like this is A. You can right click, insert a column, and it starts a column. Or there are two methods. You can just control, you can go to this column, you can go here and control plus sign, and it will insert a column for you. Yeah, so here we're going to name, put index numbers on our stuff. So you see staff number, but here we're going to create index numbers. Index, so you write in your column index number, and we're going to start from 1 2. So how do you create data? Because this is the big data, without you writing 1 2 3 to the end of the values in Excel. So we have like 400 cases. Just go to create your formula, equals to, select this plus 1 and then enter to give you 3. And to make sure that all these values are replicated to the other rows, you go on this left side of the column and you wait for that plus sign and then double click, so it will bring all the numbers. Yeah, but if you want not the formula to appear, you will select, you still just double click. Let me just control Z here. You just control select that column, and then control, you can just copy and paste values. Copy, control copy, and right click to paste values. Yeah, so these values will appear with no formula in. Yeah, it will just be a value. Yeah, so just to go again, you just control, you just select this row, then control and copy. Yeah, you press control on your keyboard and copy, then paste the values so that the formula doesn't appear. Then you have our names. If you want to change names from uppercase to lowercase, you just go here on the column we've created. Let's just name it lowercase names. Yeah, and to enlarge, you just go here, wait for this plus sign also, and enlarge your column. So in here we shall go and do equals. There is a command in Excel called proper, so you type proper. If Excel has a function, it will bring it. Double click on it and then select. So this, our column is D, just write D8, or you can select the column, but in this case I'm going to just write D8 up to the last column. Yeah, so I'm just here trying to find our last column, which is around 400 cases. Which is D8 to D470. D470, and then you close your brackets and then enter. So still, for Excel to replicate your values, you just go down here, reach for that plus sign, and then double click to bring the names in lowercase. Yeah, then if you want to sort our names, maybe from A to Z, we just go to the column. Yeah, we go to data, the data on the menu bar, and then sort. We selected column C. You can select either from A to Z or Z to A or custom list. I'm just going to select A to Z and then to sort the names. Yeah, so still the names are starting from Kato Chimbowa. Let me just maybe select another for references. Sort. Sort from Z to A. You see the names have changed. Just basics if you want to sort your data. Yeah. And then if you want to let me just go back to the cursor bar. If you want to undo some of the work you've done in Excel, you just Ctrl Z and to undo the work you've done in Excel. Yeah, if you want to undo. So if you want to put borders on your data, you just go back to our menu bar at home. We Ctrl A to highlight our sections. Yeah, to highlight our data, and then you put borders. You go to borders under this icon, as you can see, and say all borders. So our data is highlighted. Yeah, and you put borders on your data. Yeah. If you want to maybe you want to get the sum of the overpayment, the sum of staff that took salary advance in that year. We go down to the last row. And you just say equals the auto sum equals sum to bring you the sum, and then you select your columns. We say that is F8 to F470. Then you enter and it will give you your sum. So those are basics for Excel, yeah, just basics. Yeah, if you want to do summation or want to sum your data. Yeah, so that's it for today in today's video. We shall continue learning more, but that's it for today. Just basics of Excel, what you can do with Excel and how you can arrange your data. Yeah, how to arrange your data with Excel, and to make it very easy for you when you're going to analyze your data. That's it. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.